Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. It's Meditation Monday. It's a brand new week, and we're sailing towards the final month of the year. And what an action-packed year. It's been a continuous download from start to finish. And what we're dealing with at the moment is very much kind of the tail end of the personal integrations and the clearings that we've all needed to go through in order to begin the light downloads that are inevitably to come with the December solstice. Speaking of the December solstice, David Essery and I are running we do it twice a year, and we always do one for the Lion's Gate, but we've got a big solstice celebration on the 21st, and the information for that will be underneath, so please join us. It will be an absolute banger as ever. So today I'm being guided to look at the Sacral Chakra, and the Sacral Chakra is probably the first chakra on the kind of the hit list when we moved into this transition from 3D to 5D. And around 2013, 2014, we began to, or particularly the divine feminine souls on this planet, began to clear an incredible amount of relationship trauma, family karma, everything that's been passed down the lineage to us. We're the end of the line. So just take a few deep breaths now. Just breathe into your heart as you do. Begin the week with a heart-centered activation. Breathing deeply, deeply into your heart center, in through your nose. Hold the breath for a few moments, activating your heart center into a pink, white and gold ball of light. And as you breathe out, the heart expands. And do this 2 or 3 times. You can do it more if you want, whatever's comfortable for you, however your heart responds to this. Just moving into your heart center. And this action puts the heart in charge. So the heart assesses your energy. It knows where it needs to be going during the day, what it needs to be focused on, the frequencies that it needs to draw into you. So ask the heart if it will now link its consciousness directly into your sacral chakra. We might view these chakras as separate, but they are all interlinked, and eventually, further down the line, we will have a unified chakra column, a unified column of light. So breathing into your heart, ask it now to connect with the sacral. So see a white and gold and pink line of light just very gently coming down from the center of your heart center and connecting with the soft rose pink of your sacral. Now bring your attention and your intention to your sacral chakra. How does it feel? Is it feeling like it's a little bit on the stress side at the moment? Have you done a lot of clearing? Are the people exiting or maybe entering your life? Have you connected to your soul family yet? Are your soul family moving in to support you? Place one hand upon your heart and one hand upon your sacral and breathe deeply. You might at this point want to speak the words of the Atlantean crystalline code activation for the sacral. Sol Ra, Sol Ra, Sol Ra. And just feel your sacral lighting up and responding. And your sacral is now beginning to glow very bright pink with the most beautiful rose light. And it is sending its own line of light back up to the heart center to connect, to join. And there the two swap frequencies. You see the rose light, soft rose pink light coming up to your heart center, and the heart center sending down a beautiful line of pink and white and gold light until the chakras become one. And that includes the chakras in between, the solar plexus and the navel, all taken up in this beautiful infusion of pink, white and gold light. If you are aware of anything that is occurring in your sacral at the moment, such as a clearing, are you saying goodbye to any relationships in your life that may not be serving you at this time? This could be a friendship, it could be a romantic relationship, it could be a working setup. You might be having a changing of the guard, where old are leaving and new are coming in. Give this permission to occur, and also let go of as many of your emotional responses that you may have to this at this time. Some of these partings and meetings can be quite jarring, but also very illuminating. Breathe and relax. And as your sacral begins to glow brighter and brighter, be aware that it is now beginning to shine or pulse like a beacon. It is calling out to your soul family, to the members of your soul group, those that you have also made soul contracts with, to meet and to support your ascension pathway. And with your eyes closed, you might even sense and feel them beginning to draw towards you. Thank your sacral for the work that it has done. It has held on for so much. It has held on to so much for you to witness, for you to clear, not just for yourself, but for many, many, many others that came before you. It is time to release and let go. You might even sense and see what looks to be like guy ropes or cords releasing from your sacral at this time. If you want, you can just give it a little bit of assistance, just unhook the cords, release them, sending love to whoever or wherever they may be attached to. Just let this go now. And also be aware that you are now being joined by the presence of Archangel Gabriel. Archangel Gabriel oversees the development of the sacral in its infancy when it first activates at a fifth dimensional frequency, but also throughout the entire period of time that your sacral is developing. Gabriel is offering to place within the center of your sacral a shining, beautiful diamond. And this diamond will help to clarify what you are seeing, what you are feeling, whether new meetings are correct for you, or whether you should also stay attached to situations that may no longer actually be serving your highest pathway. And with your permission, Gabriel now places this diamond directly in the center of your sacral chakra. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And just after a few moments, notice how brightly your sacral is shining. It's taken on a diamond luminescence with this rose pink light, and this is also beginning to infuse up into the heart center and shining very brightly. All light workers are being called to bring their relationships into a state of fifth dimensional consciousness. This means letting go of the neediness, the old patterns of 3D relationships the way that we viewed each other in the third dimension. Just feel, let go, release, and allow the new to come in. And you can continue to work with Archangel Gabriel and to work with your sacral for as long as you wish. This might be the beginning of a system of clearing for you, or it might also be the end of something which you have also been focused and concentrating on. Just let go, let God, breathe and relax. When you are ready, thank your heart, thank your sacral chakra, thank Archangel Gabriel. Open your eyes and smile. Okay, many of us are now being drawn into doing this kind of clearing, particularly within the sacral, as we end the current chapter of energy transitions on this ascension pathway. More will be revealed as we go further towards the December solstice. Now, I'm also going to be running my own workshop on the 30th of November, which is quite soon. It's coming up, and that's going to be working with light integration. So I've got some powerful friends joining me for that one. And so the 30th of November at 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, there will be me on YouTube Live running this event. So more details coming up. I'm also working with the wonderful Lavisa Altorn and Anna Larson on the 10th and Dinah Cooper on the 12th. Got some fun stuff coming up. Sending you all so much love, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye for now.